back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video, yo. So I'm doing a new hair video and it's all about these curly clip-in hair extensions that I got on. And don't forget to like this video if you like it, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you can see some more hair videos and some other cool stuff. So first of all, I'll be installing these curly clip-in hair extensions from Sassina Hair. These are 3B, 3C curly clip-in hair extensions. I'm blending them in with my natural hair. They came in this lovely pink box, and these are 100% virgin human hair. So when you first open the box, it comes with this nice little thank you card. It has their website, it's their Instagram, Sassina Hair, so go check them out. And this is how the hair comes in this plastic bag. All the pieces, all the webs are all folded together and tied up. And it also comes with a few other accessories, a nice wide tooth comb, some eyelashes, and a few extra clips, and also some instructions with how to take care of it and tips about dyeing it and stuff like that. Okay, so this is the hair. Like I said, it's kinky curly 3B 3C hair. I thought that was probably the closest to my natural texture. It's 100% human hair and it's in natural black. And the length that I chose is 20 inches, so you can get it in other lengths like 18 inches, 16 inches, I'm not sure, 22, I don't know. But I got 20 inches. The hair is double weft and it's 120 grams and comes with 7 pieces, and it has a total of 17 clips all together on all the pieces. So yeah, there's 7 pieces. This is all the hair fresh out of the box, out of the bag. And then this is the hair after being washed. I just used some conditioner and then just combed through with the wide tooth comb. So I just used some Aussie conditioner just to, wanted to wash the hair and get it, kind of have the curls look a little bit more natural. Okay, so right here, this is where I'm about to install it, but this is actually now about a couple weeks later, because I've actually already been wearing the hair for like the past couple weeks, because I just wanted to try it out and get a feel for it first before doing the video, so I can already have an idea of how I would want to install it to work, to blend with my hair and all that type of stuff. And right now, these clip-ins actually come in handy for me because my hair is way thinner than it used to be because my hair is shedded so much, plus my texture changing. So I've been enjoying wearing these clip-ins because it's been giving me a more fuller look that I need right now. Okay, so I sectioned off the bottom of my hair where I want to start the clip-ins, and the part does not have to be perfect because nobody's going to see it. And I like to start about right there. I don't like to start too low because it's just more comfortable right there, and it's easier for when I put it in ponytails. And I'm going to start with a 3-clip weft for the back and just clip that on, starting with the middle clip first, and then I clip the 2 ends on so I can make sure it's like evenly in the middle. And then I'm just gonna lightly spritz the hair with water and then put a little bit of olive oil over it so I can just make sure that it's like, just nicely moisturized to start, my hair with the clip-ins, to, make sure it's nice and soft. Okay, and then the next weft is going to be the other 3-clip piece. So I do that section a little bit higher up, just maybe like slightly above my ears. And yeah, I like to use a 3-clip piece right there because, again, it just feels more comfortable and it's easier, for when I'm gonna do ponytails and stuff. And then again, I'm gonna slightly spritz it with water and then just go over it with a little bit of olive oil. So I basically just did that for each section that I put in. And then for the next section, I put that part probably a little bit more above the ears, more like towards the top of my head, like going around, kind of more like around like the crown area. And that's where I'm going to put the 4-clip piece. So for the top, well, I decided that I'm going to be doing a middle part, so I just split it right down the middle in half and just work with the 2 sides at a time. And then I'm actually going to be using 2 clip pieces for each side, so I just parted off a little bit of hair, like just a little bit above where I did the last piece. So I'm just placing it where it's like starting closer to like the back middle of my head, so I just clip it in the middle first and then clip down the piece closer to the front, because I just want to make sure that there's going to be enough space in the front of my head so that I can still style it and slick it down. I don't like the clips going too close to my edges. And then just do the same thing on the other side with another 2-piece clip. And that's it for the wefts that I'm using. There's a total of 7, but I'm just using 5 of them. So now it's time to just basically blend and style my hair. So yeah, I decided, like I said, I'm doing a middle part, and I decided that I want to like slick down the front. So that's the style that I want to do. And I like this placement of the clips, the way I put them, because I feel like it makes it easier to kind of change up the style, like if I want to change the part or do something different with the front of my hair. And if I need to, I can just adjust the 2 top pieces that I put in, or even just remove them all together and just kind of just leave the rest of the clips alone, and you know, basically still do like different styles with the way they are, even like slick it down into a ponytail and the clips not feel like, you know, like not be pulling my hair and stuff. And even do like maybe half up, half down styles, or styles where I have like the front braided down. So yeah, I've been kind of like messing around, experimenting with styles. So basically this is why I like the way I chose to clip it in. Okay, so right now the way I am going to style and blend my hair with the extensions, I'm going to just kind of like work on 2 sides at a time, and I'm just going to kind of like dampen the hair up a bit with water, because wetting the hair is what's really gonna help your hair blend with the extensions. And I think the wetter you do it, maybe the easier it will blend, but I don't want to make it soaking wet, so but I'm just gonna like spritz it enough so that it's pretty damp, but I just don't want it too wet because I just don't want it to take too long to dry. And then I'm just using this Aussie conditioner as a leave-in conditioner, so I'm just gonna, you know, put that throughout my hair to moisturize it and just kind of like rake it through. So basically I'm just styling the clip-ins like as if it's my actual hair. That's what, to me, like I feel like it's easier to help it blend with my hair. Just style it like it's my hair. Okay, and then right here I was putting in this African Pride Shea Miracle, I think it's a pudding or whatever, but it was later on I decided that I wouldn't have needed that, but because I used something else instead. But I was basically using that because that kind of helps define the curls a little bit more, and I was kind of focusing it more on the outside of my hair where my natural hair is, to make sure that my natural hair is defined and doesn't frizz up, so that, you know, it doesn't look too much more frizzier than the actual clip-ins, so then you can see the difference. So I wanted to just stay like as defined as the clip-ins. And then I used some Eco Styler gel to slick down the front and the top of my hair a bit, because the top of my hair is just like really poofy, like my natural hair is just like, the roots are just super puffy right now. But I'm just using gel to kind of like slick it down, and especially slick down the front since that's the style I want it to do. Okay, so right here, this is the Eco Styler gel, the black castor oil and flaxseed one. So I just realized that my mom had this gel, and this is like the gel that I would rather use. I don't really like the argan oil one that much because it just kind of ends up making my hair a little bit crispy and leaves a lot of buildup. So far, I prefer the olive oil one or even this one. So yeah, I ended up using this castor oil and flaxseed one instead, and I really like it because it's more moisturizing and leaves my hair like, it just slicks down better without being so crunchy. So basically, yeah, I just end up like slicking down my hair with that and putting it mostly like on the outside to make sure the outside of my hair, you know, if my natural hair does not frizz up too much, and it works really well. So basically what I'm saying is that I would rather use this castor oil gel instead of that African Pride Miracle Pudding and the argan oil gel. So basically I would scratch those two products, and all I would have used is just the Aussie conditioner and this Eco Style castor oil and flaxseed gel. That's it. And also I like this gel because it reminds me of that Aunt Jackie's elongating gel with flaxseed. It's really good if you want to do a sleeked down look or even like that wet look and you are trying to keep your hair like laying down, because the gel does not make your hair hard and crunchy and leave all that residue and stuff. So I used to do that. So I even have a video with just only my natural hair doing a sleeked down look using that gel. So yeah, you could definitely do that wet look, you know, using like more water and more gel, but I wasn't really going for the wet look really. I just wanted to like really sleek down the front of my hair. I still wanted the rest of the hair to be a little bit more poofy, so that's why I didn't really put too much of the gel. Like I didn't saturate it all throughout my hair, and especially like on the ends, you can see I mostly focused it more like on the top, like I said, to make sure that my natural hair stays laying down and not get frizzy. And I only probably put a little bit over the ends. But yeah, because I didn't want it to be soaking wet so it takes too long to dry, and I still wanted my hair to be a little bit poofy, but just slick down in the front. And then of course, you know, just lay down my edges, do my baby hairs and stuff, and that's pretty much it. And now here it is. My hair is a little bit more drier, as you can see it has puffed up a little bit more. And I kind of just pulled it apart a little bit, especially pulling apart the clip-ins too, because I want them to get a little slightly frizzier to look more natural and blend with my natural hair. Yeah, so far I am liking these clip-ins. I feel like they blend nicely with my hair. Like I said, I have the 3B, 3C clip-ins because that's probably about my hair texture. They also have a kinkier one that's more like 4A. They also have a looser texture too. And of course they have straight hair too. So you could check that out on the website. And I'll have all the info down below. The link to these clip-ins that I have and the website and the info about the hair. So make sure you check out the description. So that is it for the style. And yeah, so like I said, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. Leave some comments below and let me know what you think of this hair. Do you like it? Do you think it blends nicely with my hair? Yeah, maybe I'll even do more videos doing more like hairstyles with these clip-ins. But yeah, so leave me some comments below, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in another video. Peace.